Hello again and welcome to our YouTube channel Scholarship World. Uh, this is your host IJ Fridi from Pakistan. In this video we will talk about the Master Degree Scholarships by Chulalongkorn Graduate Institute, Cross, Thailand. And these scholarships are for the Master Degree programs. There are some specific programs in which you can apply and you can get this scholarship. So this year they have announced 15 scholarships by these institutes, Chulalongkorn Graduate Institute. So these programs are in these fields of study: applied biological sciences, environmental health, and environmental toxicology and chemical sciences. So these fields are available and you can apply for the master degree. So these scholarships are for the master degrees program. So the scholarships are open to the eligible applicants who meet the following qualifications. They must be under the 30 years of age. No age relaxation will be given, no exemption will be given. So a little bit about this institute. The Chulalongkorn Graduate Institute is a multidisciplinary postgraduate academic institute established in 2005 under the initiative of Professor Dr. Her Royal Highness Princess Chulalongkorn Karam Srivastagandra. So this princess, under the name of this princess, she was also the scientist, and this institute was established. Let's see if we can discuss some more. Okay, so talking about this application process and the eligibility. So one must hold a bachelor degree with a GPA of 2.75 in one of the following fields. If your GPA is 2.75 out of 4 scale, then you are eligible. So this is not a big GPA. I think if someone take good interest, then he or she can apply for this and may be successful in getting one of these 15 scholarships from this institute, CGI Institute. Okay, so the sciences are chemistry, biology, biological sciences, molecular biology, environmental sciences, medical sciences, medicine, medical technology, pharmacy or pharmaceutical sciences. So most of the medical fields are included in this. Applicants from other related fields are also welcome to apply. So the applicants who have the related field like these, they can also apply, like biological studies or molecular studies like this. Applicants from must have the experience. The applicant must have experience in the scientific laboratories research. So you must have some experience of research in your field. So you can apply by using the English proficiency letter. The IELTS is not mandatory. You can use the English proficiency letter. So you must provide a statement of purpose, SOP, and provide a statement of purpose explaining your interest in the study. So fields of studies we have already discussed, and then we talk about the scholarship coverage. The scholarship will cover the following main items: tuition fees is waived off, other academic fees, credit fee, laboratory expenses, refresher course fee, enrollment fee, thesis fee, production of thesis documents, all things are paid. Round trip airfare, so you will get the air ticket as well. So that's very good thing in this scholarship. Visa is free, visa cost will be paid. First settlement allowance you will also get, relocation allowance you will also get, accommodation is free, monthly stipend will be free, will be paid, book allowance will be provided. So it's a very good scholarship. Award period is for 2 years, because master degree in Thailand is for 2 years. In this, so award period is for 2 years master degree, because these are master degree scholarships. So in Thailand this is 2 years. Okay, so what is the procedure of application? So applications must be sent via email the scanned files of the application form and the supporting documents to the email address. This one should be sent to this. All the things which you application material should be sent an email to this email address. So I will provide the link in the description of the application form. You can download from there. Okay, so after the first step 1 is completed, send all the documents again via postal service to the postal. So in this thing, after sending this into this email address, you will have to send by post as well to this address. So this is the address here of the institute. You should send by post your documents as well, copies, contain the photocopies. No consideration will be given without the application form and supporting documents submitted following the application procedure and reach the they are reaching the institute after the closing date, then these materials will not be entertained, your application will not be entertained. So you can see here that the deadline is 30th of September 2025. So you have some time left. Following documents must be, so what are the documents which should be attached? Full academic transcript, your bachelor degree transcript should be attached. 3 reference letters should be attached. So you need 3 reference letters, not 2. Statement of purpose which you have written, and medical examination certificate. You will get some specimen from this institute. I will try to put the link in the description as well, so you can make your medical form by using that one. Other supporting documents to facilitate applications training. So other documents like your passport and CV should be also be there. So on application deadline is 30th of September. So notification, the successful applicants will be notified of the outcome by the CGI around January 2026. So you will be notified around January 2026. So these are the attachments here given. There is an application form which I will put in the description. A link will put in the description, and also medical report. This will also link I will put in the description. So this is the address of this institute. Also email address is given. Web, you can go from here and you can see the web. These are master degree scholarships. Okay, so talking about background of this institute, you can go through these web links, home and then background. You can see that this is the princess which is who established this institute. She was the daughter of the king, queen, and look, you can see that Professor Dr. Her Royal Highness Princess Chulapur Mahidol, the president of the Chulapur Research Institute, is the youngest daughter of their Majesty's King, King Bhumibol of Thailand, the Great, and the Queen Mother Sirikit of Thailand. So this is the person who established this institute. So she was the princess, and she was also the scientist. As a qualified scientist, she has always attached the greatest importance to the role of the sciences in the social economic development, and accordingly conceived the idea of establishing a national institute to assist in the development of Thailand. So on her name this institute has been established. So I hope you all will apply for this to try to get this very good scholarship, because the flight tickets are also available and many more facilities are given. So there are not many scholarships which provide so many things. So best of luck for this scholarship hunt. Thank you very much. Kindly if you think that this video was useful for you, kindly like and share this video, and kindly subscribe this channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye for now.